Hello, today, I will show you how you can move your patrol enemy in the Y direction. Select an enemy which you want to move in the Y direction. Let's say, I want to select this enemy. Click on this enemy. And here it is. Then, go into the script. Mark the script, except the first text line, and copy it by clicking the right mouse button and clicking copy. Now, we have to write a new script for this enemy. To do this, we need to delete the existing one. Click on this icon. Now we have removed the script for this enemy. Here you can see that the script icon is no longer there. Click on this symbol again to create a new script. For template, select empty. Name your new script, enemy Y direction. And click on create. Click on line 3. Then right mouse click. And click paste. Delete line 11 and 12 in the function, physics process. And add these 4 new lines. And finally, we have to change X in line 16 to Y. That's it. Run the program. Perfect. Now we can also move the enemy in the Y direction. If you now want to move another enemy in the Y direction, you simply need to load the script enemy Y direction. Let's say you want to move this enemy in the Y direction as well. Click on the enemy. Click on this symbol again to remove the script. Then, click on this symbol again to add a new script. Go to Path. Click on this folder symbol and search for your script enemy Y direction. Then, click on Open. And now click on Load. And that's it. Run the program. Perfect. That's it for today. Until next time. Bye.